Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and Yati Junior College. Let's start by our subject history. Today we are going to start by chapter number 6, that is Indian struggle against colonialism. Question and answer session of our textbook exercise. Question number 1 is choose the correct alternative and rewrite the statement. First question is given in the textbook is the region of dash had became a stronghold of Hansaji Naik. Four option has been given to you: Satara, Nanded, Pune, Nagpur. So you have to select any one from this. Second question is the British plant owners in Bihar were pressing the local farmers to grow only dash. Again over here four option is given, that is indigo, tea, coffee, sugarcane. You have to select any one. Third question, the first session of the Indian Nation Congress was presided by dash. For option again over here it has been given to us. We have to select any one. Dwarkanath Tagore, Ramesh Chandra Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji and Surendranath Banerjee. So now the answers, what will be the answers? So the first question, the region of Nanded had become a stronghold of Hansaji Naik. Second question was the British plant owners in Bihar were pressing their local farmers to grow only indigo. Third, the first session of the Indian National Congress was presided by Ramesh Chandra Banerjee. Here we have completed by our fill in the blanks. Moving further to question number 1b. Find the incorrect pair from the group B and write the corrected one. So group A, the options are given to us. Group B are also the answers to that group A question, and one option is incorrect, that we have to correct it down. So Kunwar Singh, the option over here is Lucknow. Nana Saheb Peshwa, Kanpur. Queen Lakshmi Bai, Jhansi. Chima Saheb, Kolhapur. So we have to find the incorrect pair and correct it out. So the incorrect pair over here is Kunwar Singh. It has given Lucknow. Actually, the correct answer is Patna. Okay, moving further to our question number 2, that is the right names of historical places, person and events. Question number 1 over here is the region of the rhyme of the parallel government established in 1942. So here we have to write the answer in one word, okay, about the event of this. Then the second question, the island conquered by Azad Hind Sena from the British in 1943. Again over here we have to write in one words only the answer, historical place, person and event. So what will be the answer in this? So let's start. The region of the regime of the parallel government established in 1942. So which region it has been started? It started in the region of Satara. So the answer is Satara district. Second question was the island conquered by Azad Hind Sena from the British in 1943. So which was the island? What is the name of the island? Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay. Moving further to our question number 3, that is write short notes. The very first one is the extremist, second is Azad Hind Sena, and third is Patri Sarkar. Starting by the extremist. Point number 1, the Indian National Congress split into two groups, the moderates and the extremists, at the Surat session of the Congress in 1907. Second, the extremist wing of thinkers insisted that independence should be a natural priority. An independent nation could provide a right setup for social reformation. Third point, Lokmanya Tilak, who was the leader of the extremists, said that the home taken over by others should be recovered first, then only we can reform it. Here we have completed by the extremists. Second is Azad Hind Sena. More 3 points are remaining. Fourth point is he also felt that the British government will not yield to application requests and speeches. Fifth point, extremists did not agree with the moderators' policy of avoiding the resolution of Swadeshi and boycott and wanted to stop these attempts of the moderators. Sixth point, the three leaders of the extremist group were Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipinਦਰ Chandra Pal, famously called as Lal, Bal and Pal. Moving further to our next question, that is the Azad Hind Sena. First point, the Azad Hind Sena was built by Ras Bihari Bose by recruiting Indian soldiers and later on was reorganized under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose. Second, these were the Indian soldiers of the British Army who were taken captive by the Japanese army. Third point, okay, third question, sorry, that is Patri Sarkar. Point number one in this, Patri Sarkar or a parallel government was established by Kranti Singh Nana Patil, a revolutionist in the Satara district of Maharashtra. Second point of Patri Sarkar is he, with the help of his associate, put an end to the British regime in the Satara district and established the people's government. Third point, this government took over the administrative task of collecting revenue and order solving court cases and punishing criminals. Moving further to our next question, that is question number 4. Answer the following question in detail. Now your first question is, Lieutenant Outram was successful in crushing the revolt of the Bhils by the end of 1822. Second, Ravindranath gave up his title Sir. He has been gifted by the title Sir, so that title he has given up. So the answer we have to write in detail. Point number 1, Lieutenant Outram, revolt of the Bhils in which thousands of Bhils participated was crushed by Lieutenant Outram. Second, however, he also stayed among the Bhils and won their confidence. He tried to bring them to the mainstream of urban life. Third, he adopted measures like a declaration of amnesty, land grants, agriculture loans, and reprieve from the past crimes and recruitment in the army to weaken the opposition from the Bhils. Second question, that is Ravindranath gave up his title of Sir. In that we have to write point number 1. On 13th April 1919, the day of Baisakhi, thousands of people had gathered for a meeting at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar for celebrating the festival. Second point, many of them were not aware of the ban put by the government on public gathering. Third, General Dyer opened fire on these people without any prior warning. Next question is question number 5. State your opinion. Point number 1. The rise of colonialism was a result of the spreading of European trade. And second is, according to Satyendra Savarkar, the Independence War of 1857 was the first war of independence. So the very first question, the Europeans reached all over the world for several reasons, such as the urge for adventures, to earn a name, to discover unknown lands. Later, trade and commerce increased to such a great extent for which there was economic, social and political supremacy among them. Third, the Europeans found potential market in continents like Asia, America and Africa, where they established their colonies, and the first to do so were second, according to the Satyendra Savarkar, the Independence War of 1857 was the first war of independence. So here in this answer is, the revolt of 1857 was a unified and national uprising against the British authority. The Indian War of Independence, as described in his book 1857, the first war of independence, was considered to be the first war where the entire nation, irrespective of caste, creed, race and religion, had come together and staged an armed protest against the British to gain independence from their colonial rule. Okay, here we have completed by our question and answer session. I have just highlighted the important points. You have to make it as a brief answer and write down in your history notebook. So till then, till the next video, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much for listening my video.